Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install HP Smart app from Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to, at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is on, you can if this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on. And then scroll down, click on sync now over here. Once the sync is done, now go to time and language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here. Select the right country and then open Microsoft Store and then try to install HP Smart. Still not working. The next step is to clear store cache. Now type in wsreset in Windows search box. Click on wsreset run command. This will relaunch store and then you can try to install HP Smart. Still not working. The next step is to repair or reset store. Now for this, type in Microsoft Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store, go to app settings, scroll down, first of all click on terminate and then click on repair. Once the repair is done, now you can check. If that does not work, you can even reset. After the reset, you can open Microsoft Store and then you can try to install HP Smart. Now still not working. The next step is to delete Microsoft Store local cache folder. Now for this you can open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open AppData. If you don't see AppData at the top, click on View, select Show, put a check on Hidden Items and then open AppData folder. Open the local folder, open the Packages folder, scroll down, find Microsoft Windows Store folder. So over here you can see Microsoft Windows Store underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Here you can see local cache folder. Make a right click, delete it, and once done, now you can relaunch store and then you can install. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Microsoft Store install service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Microsoft Store install service, then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Once this is done, relaunch Microsoft Store and then try to install HP Smart. Still not working. The next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy this command. This command is provided in the video description and then paste it on PowerShell window. Paste it on the PowerShell window and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will re-register all the Microsoft Store apps, and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors in red color, just ignore it, let the process complete. Once this is complete, you will see everything red, and then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can install. Still not working, try installing from my library or downloads. So you can go to Microsoft Store, go to downloads. Now in downloads over here, if you see HP Smart over here, and if you see the install button, you can try to install HP Smart. If you see the download option, you can try to install it from here. If that does not work, you can even go to library. If you find HP Smart in the library, you can try to install it from the library. You will see this kind of icon, download option. You can try to install it from library or downloads, and then you can check. Now still not working. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Now for this, copy the first command. The commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Once done, copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store and then you can launch Microsoft Store and then try to install HP Smart. Now you can try to install. Still not working. The next step is to run these two commands. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can open store and then try to install HP Smart. Still not working. The next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box and then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to advanced tab, scroll down, make sure use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all four are checked and then hit apply. Apply is important and then click on OK, relaunch store and then try to install. Still not working. The next step is to update Windows. Now for this you can go to Windows Update, click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then try to install HP Smart. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website and this is for Windows 11 users. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then install HP Smart. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install HP Smart successfully on your Windows from Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.